So I wanted to do a little review on my new generator here. It's called the DuroMax. The DuroMax Sidekick XP2000is. It's a digital inverter, 2,000 watts peak wattage, and it's rated at 1,600 watts. So it's kind of like the Hondas and the Yamahas. And I had a Honda before, the EU2000i, but I sold it, and now I finally found myself needing another generator. But I didn't want to shell out the $1,000 or $1,100 for a Honda, or $950 for a Yamaha. So I came across this DuroMax, and for $400 delivered, I thought I'd give it a shot. So it just showed up at our house today. I ordered it yesterday, and it's free shipping, $399, and bam, it's here. It is made in China though, so that is my, Hondas are made in Japan. Yamahas supposedly have been made in China now, from what I'm reading. And so we're gonna do a little decibel test. So we're gonna use this decibel meter, and we're gonna go back 21 feet from the generator. And they say that at 50% load, that the decibel is at 61 decibels. So we'll see how that pans out. All right, so what we did is we set up our little generator out here, and these little red rags represent 21 feet. So I got one off to the front of it, off to the side, and I got one out on the back side. So here's the generator itself. It's about the same size as the Honda EU2000. It weighs about 47 pounds, I'm guessing, and I think that's what the box said too, so there you have that. My first impressions, it's a very stout little generator. It seems well built, well made. It's got a vented gas cap, so there's no, and it's got a choke, so there's no primer bulb to push. It's got everything that the Yamaha and the Hondas have, except it has the addition of a USB port
and 12 volt DC,
and it's got 12 volt DC charging capacity, which the Yamahas and the Hondas have also. So what we're going to use to test this is a little heater. It's 750 watts or 1,500 watts on high. So we'll fire up the generator without a load first, record the decibels, and then we'll go through the 750 watts and 1,500 watts. Alright, so this is no load with the generator at idle. So just sitting here. We're looking at between 57.5 and 58 decibels. So we'll go off to the side real quick to my 21-foot line. Again, this is no load. Just over 55 decibels. It is quiet. So now we're on the exhaust side with no load. We'll call that 57. All right, we'll go ahead and ramp it up to 750 watt load, which is about 50% load. So they're saying it's 61 decibels at 50% load. Let's find out. So definitely idled up. And there you have it. I'm going to say 61 and a half decibels at half load. Let's go off to the side real quick. I'm going to call it 60 decibels off to the side. Let's go to the exhaust side. So we're 50% load on the exhaust side. About 60 and a half decibels. All right, We'll ramp it up to 1500 watts, which is almost at its capacity. You hear it ramp up there. 21 feet back. We're going to call that 69 decibels. Back off to the side now. .64 decibels. Not too shabby. Exhaust side. .65.5, 66 decibels right in there. Not bad. So there you have it. That's my quick little review of the DuroMax. So there you have it, the DuroMax Sidekick XP2000is. Seems to be a good little generator. $399 delivered. I'll take this all day over the red or the other blue one.